Parrot TV, the voice for humanity.
Hi, welcome to Parrot TV Literary Corner. I'm Dustin Pickering, your noble and honest host. Today we have Sharon K. Middleton, who is a fourth generation Texan. Sharon is a graduate of Trinity University, Texas A&M, and South Texas College of Law. She is an attorney licensed to practice in Texas. She enjoys writing, quilting, showing, and raising Skye Terriers. She loves the wilds of North Georgia and hopes to retire there soon. She is the author of 5 books and a sixth collection soon to be a sixth book soon to be released, Beyond McCarran's Corner and The McCarran's Daughter.
With authorship, it does for me time. I'll use different people as well and do some publicity. I've had a number of times. I've had speech club. Big building. I have a giveaway going on right now for Beyond Veterans Corner that's on Goodreads. I think today that they'll be giving away 5 copies. So send out copies in advance. Somebody review in advance. He does. And regular readers, some of my readers who look mistakes, like as you said that shit. It's the first moment that he's given it. Usually the covers are like this. Policies on before and just some reader spoke to me. We said, "No, that's Charlie." I don't know pictures of people that look like maybe ever look back to the Regents era, dressed in that Regents garb. No, that's crazy. No, that's him. No, not him. This is him, Sharon. Okay, now I can justify that he has Sharon because in this state of undress, delivering a cup puppy. That's good. And I'm walking back at the house. It's like a house to make you go like, to now caught. And she turns around, she looks over again, she's looking like fun. He's outside, he rushes over, and he's fighting with, he's kind of begun an understanding that comes in and catches him kissing Callie. He didn't kiss girls more than that. You didn't have her in an embrace. That was just inappropriate.
Right.
And then this is at least halfway, he's going to be making an offer. Oh, no, you're from Texas. Oh, no, girl, in love with. We're in a picture with another.
Well, thank you for joining us today. It's been wonderful talking with you and learn a bit about your work, and that's very fascinating. So it was a very pleasant, and we have this wonderful handbook literary for those who have not purchased a copy of it, $18. Please feel free to get a copy of it. And additionally, we'll have all the information. And remember, if